Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video we got a few unboxings. If you look closely to the tape, it says mvtuning. So this is actually the second half of the body kit. So let's get right into that. This should have the side skirts and should have the side skirts. It's a long box, so sorry about the shakiness. But yeah, it should have the side skirts and the fangs, and then also it should have the hood strut. But let's see what they got so far. Like I said, they nicely package their things, so it's in a shit ton of bubble wrap. Mazda 6 owners looking to spruce up how their car looks, I definitely suggest running the mvtuning body kit. All of their parts are pretty legit and they look good. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll find out. This is the hood strut. This will be tight. No longer will I have to prop it up manually. That's just a small little thing, but they sent it for free, so I said why not. Got to figure out what this is too. More things, I do not know what they are. And then these are the side skirts. I had a lot of styrofoam, so that's why there's a lot of bits of it on me, but dang it, they taped it all really tightly, so here's one of them. Get this off. Let's see. Yep, it's pretty long. I'm assuming that it comes around. This is gonna be on the back side, I believe. But once again, we're gonna have to test fit it. And then this is the other side. This doesn't smell as bad as the other parts, probably because it's made out of a different material, but here's the other side. Let's put that in there. These are the pair of fangs for the front and the back. I'm not gonna open them because it has the hardware loose in there, and honestly, I won't need to open them until I test fit them. But yeah, these are the rear and the back fangs. No, I said rear and back. That's the same thing. So this is the rear, and then this is the front fangs for the front lip and the rear diffuser. But let's put that back in there so we can keep it all together. And then this is gonna be, like I said, it's the hood strut. It lets the hood open up without you having to hold, or put it on the little thing to hold it up. That's just a small thing. They said they'd send it, so I was like, okay, sure. And then they gave you some, I believe this is 3M tape. And then honestly, I don't know what this is. We're gonna have to find out when we try to put it on. But this won't be on the car for a while because we do need to paint and color match a lot of these pieces besides the rear diffuser. But after the test fit, which will be the next video, once I test all of the fitment on the whole kit, we will get it to paint, and then we'll get it on there after it's painted and cured. But we have another unboxing, so let's get into that. So this is from our sponsors, Ado. They sent us quite a few things so far. They sent us their H11 LEDs. They also sent us their portable air compressor. I have two videos unboxing those. And then this next thing they sent us is their multi-function jump starter for your car, just in case some things go wrong and your car dies or something. This can definitely get you back up on the road and driving. So let's open that boy up. This one should be easier to unbox. There ain't all that bubble wrap and everything. So open it up right here, and comes in this little handy bag, bag. And see how it looks. So it looks like this. It's pretty sturdy. It's got a little light, all these other little attachments you can get in there. The jumper cable is for right here. And then in the bag, they have the little cables. This is handy, especially now that we've been driving the Z, and that thing, if you stall, you do have to jump the car every time because the battery's not too good. We got to replace it. This is gonna be the test portion of the freaking Ado jump starter. So here's Calvin. We're gonna use it on the Z because it actually needs to be jump started every time we want to start it. So let's go.
I know you're not supposed to use it right off the bat and you're supposed to charge it, but we savage it.
Yeah, let's go. All right, show them what it's capable of.
Positive on positive. Oh, this is pretty hard. And then negative on negative. And then on the side, it tells you if you're correct or if it's wrong. And then let's see.
All right, start it up, boy. Nice, it works well. Oh man. Okay, I see what we're working with. Again, shout out to Ado for sending this to us for free. Anyways, if you guys would like one of these, I'll have the link in the description below. It's really useful if you're gonna, you know, be going on a road trip or just have it in case of emergencies. But hopefully you guys like this unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next upload.